Hi everyone and welcome to our AcuQC presentation. Today I'm excited to walk you through the IIG Quality Control Tracking Program for Manufacturing module. I have already created some QC codes for this purpose and linked one of them to a problem code and resolution code. Now let's configure the QC setups for our items. For our finished good medical instrument, I have added several QC codes with manufacturing finished good application type. The same has been done for our materials with application type manufacturing materials, and for our non-stock item to be used as an operation QC. Now let's open bill of materials screen to see the bill of materials I have created earlier to produce our item. Here you can see all the materials required for production and see which ones require QC inspection and their QC locations. Now let's open a production order maintenance screen to create the production order. Let's select the item. And make sure that BOM ID is set to the bill of materials we have created. Now let's go to production details to review our production order. Here you can see the material lines which require QC inspection, the QC non-stock operation QC. As you can see, the status of the order is planned. Let's go back to production order maintenance screen, release the order to change the status, and to make the release materials action enabled. Select the materials. We will not be able to release the materials before sending all the required lines to QC inspection. Run this section. Here you can see the message on inspection. The materials are already on inspection. Let's navigate to QC code tracking inspection screen. And do our QC inspection. I'm going to reject a sample of this material. Let's set the rejected quantity to 1. Define the lot serial. Set the QC code. Set problem code, resolution code, and add some comment. After finishing our inspection, we will need to change the status to completed. And press on complete button. Now let's refresh the material screen. As you can see, the lines with no rejected quantity have is QC completed checkbox checked, and the one line with rejected quantity has the status rejected. Let's delete this line and re-edit with another lot serial number and resend it to QC inspection. Let's go to QC tracking inspection screen again. Complete this sample. Once all the lines pass the QC inspection, the materials can be released. Now let's head back to the production order details screen. Here you can see that QC is completed for the stock items, and now we will be able to send the non-stocks to QC inspection for operation QC. Complete the inspection as described earlier. On inspection, message disappeared, and all the lines required QC have status is completed. This means that production order can be closed. For this purpose, we must create a move transaction. This is a move transaction for the first line of operation. Let's create another move transaction. Once the last operation is released, the finished good will be sent to QC inspection. And if the finished good passes the QC, it will be transferred to its location, stock location, and if it is rejected, it will be sent to rejecting location. See, it's already on inspection. Let's go to production details. Navigate to QC code tracking inspection screen. See, we have the manufacturing finished good here in the screen. I am going to inspect finished good using QC by template. I have created a template and set it up earlier for this item. This is my template. Let's open the QC template. Select the lot serial number. Complete all the lines. and save it. Let's go back to our QC tracking inspection screen. And the status is already set to completed. Let's check all the lines and complete them. Now refresh the screen and on inspection message will disappear. Let's check the transfers. Here the item is sent to QC location for quality control and is transferred from QC location to its stock location. Thank you for watching.